we have a lot of celebrity moms out there who really look amazing after having 1, 2, or even 3 or 4 kids. And how do they do it? Mommy Makeover is not a new procedure. However, we are seeing a lot more patients become interested in this procedure, and I feel it's largely because it's in the celebrity media. Now, we can see a lot of stars when they're younger, and as they go on in life, they go on to have children, and they still look amazing. They still have the body that everybody admires them for. And while some of this may just be genetics and good luck, some of this also may be from plastic surgery. So we have a lot of celebrity moms out there who really look amazing after having 1, 2, or even 3 or 4 kids. And how do they do it? Some patients don't need anything, and they are really the lucky ones. I do see these patients for other things, and even though they've had children, they really have very little change in their body. However, a lot of other patients do have changes in their body that they don't like after they've had children. Notably, the abdomen becomes rounder, becomes fuller, there may be extra skin, there may be change in the shape of the belly button. All these things give a woman a midsection abdominal area that they used to be proud of, but it can change after having a baby when things get stretched out. And this is one of the major reasons why a patient might come to me for a mommy makeover. They just don't like the shape of their abdomen after pregnancy, and multiple pregnancies have changed things. The other area the patient becomes concerned about are the breasts. The breasts can change a lot after pregnancy, after having multiple children and nursing them. Notably, breasts will get smaller, they may get saggier, they may get droopier. There's a lot of changes that can occur. The nipples can get larger and elongated, and all those things women don't generally like, and they want to return close to how they were before having children, or even be augmented and larger. And it's a good reason for a woman to seek a breast procedure, either breast augmentation or breast lift, to enhance their breasts after childbirth. I think a lot of women these days are realizing that after seeing celebrities, other famous people, their friends having a mommy makeover, that they can do this too, and that has really made these procedures more popular. I believe a lot of the increase in popularity of this procedure is because women are seeing celebrities, other famous people, looking great after they've had kids. Also, they see their friends having these kind of procedures, so they know it's available. They know that they can change their bodies in the way that they like, as close to how their bodies were like before pregnancy, and sometimes even better. So I think that's why this procedure is becoming more and more common and popular. If you want to know more about mommy makeovers, give us a call at 808-585-8855.